Right, where are we gonna put all of this stuff? Up there. And that stay. Is this a good idea? Hey, what is up guys, how are we doing? And welcome to this video. I'm organising a giveaway once again. It's been around about 6 months I think since our last one, and as it went down so nicely, and it's always nice to sort of see people gaming with some brand new peripherals, I thought it'd be a great idea to get in contact with Mark from Beginners Tech. Oh dear, from Mark from Silence Tech, and of course Ryan from, I'm under pressure now, and of course Ryan from Beginners Tech. I don't know why I caught that one up. I'm talking to them all the time while we're playing PUBG. That's embarrassing, but I'm going to leave that in the video because otherwise it probably won't be very entertaining, to be honest with you. But there's a great giveaway and we've teamed up with Corsair. So I basically got in contact with a PR guy, and he's actually been really generous this time, and he's allowed us to come up with 3 different prize packs basically of our choosing. And in the end we settled for basically a mouse, keyboard and headset bundle. So if you're going for the mouse bundle, then you would get a Corsair glaive and an RGB mouse mat. If you're going for a keyboard, you can get the new K68 keyboard and then the MM300 mouse mat, which is the long sort of one that your keyboard and mouse sit on. And then if you're after a new headset, then I actually chose the HS50 and then the ST100 headphone stand, as I've been using it on my desk for a while, and it's not only a very good looking headphone stand, even though the RGB is a little bit weak in my opinion, but it's actually a practical product and it's got a very good DAC in it. But if you do want to enter this giveaway, then it's so simple, as it always should be, where all you need to do is go to the description, click the Gleam link, and then as long as you're subscribed to me, Silence Tech and Beginners Tech, then you can win. I will say that the same person won't be able to win multiple prizes, well, multiple sets. There's 2 prizes in each set, because I think that would be a little bit mean, but I wish you all the best anyway. Let me know down in the comment section below what you'd rather win or what videos you want to see, but most importantly, like that video, because everyone says that and it might make a difference to how well this video does. I don't really know. No one really knows the YouTube algorithm. It's all a bit X-Files. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.